Hey guys, welcome to my channel, N.P. Detailing. Yeah, it's Neil again. Today I've got, in this cold weather in the UK, East Midlands, I've got an Audi A5 which I've got to do the outside of. So paint correction. So it's not too bad. So it's got a few little scratches here and there. Still got a little bit of water beading on it still. So yeah, it's not too bad. Let's see, it's quite rough. I'm sure what you're seeing now is obviously the water that makes it look shiny. Later on you'll see the full car. Yeah, so painted calipers, alloy wheels are looking alright. Look like they've got a little bit of acid damage. To also be doing a carbon clean, which I'm doing an offer for £50 only. Takes 1 hour. Transforms the drivability of the car. So yeah, that's pretty dirty, isn't it? So yeah, do the inside of the engine carbon clean as well as the outside. So I'll start off with the outside, then I'll go into the wheels, then I'll wash the car. Once I've washed it, maybe twice, depending how bad it is, then I'll do the clay bar treatment, which is this stuff here. For those of you who don't know, it's like a blue tack, and what you do, you rub it on the paintwork whilst using obviously a lubricant, and it takes out all the contaminants out of the paintwork, leaving it really smooth. And once I've done that, I may have to wash the car again, and then I'll start on the machine polishing the paint correction. Now this car only needs a one-stage correction, so that which means it only needs a once going over on these panels here. But on the bonnet it needs 2 stages, because the bonnet is always the worst. It gets hit by everything, doesn't it? So yeah. So I'll leave you with that, and you can join me back in a few hours. Or should I say 2 days? Fast forward to 2 days. So yeah, don't forget to hit subscribe to my channel, N.P. Detailing. I got a website up and running now, so www.npdetailing.com. take a look, and catch you in a couple of days. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I'm at the carbon cleaning stage. Here's the machine. Tiny little thing, I know, you're probably thinking. 50 cc's to 6.5 litre engines can do. Got the main pipe coming out there where the hydrogen gas goes through, and that's the power cable. Goes into the battery. Hoses going up into the air intake. That's it. So I just need to crank it up to, I'll put it on about 8, first time clean. You can see the gas being pushed out. That is not fluid, by the way, it's just a bit of condensation in the pipe, but the gas is being pushed out. So yeah, up to 8. There we go. And leave it for an hour. And then this car should be smoother, better MPG, more responsive. Yeah. Okay. So 2 days later, the Audi is all done. Stage 2 paint correction on the bonnet. Single stage on the sides. Roof. Doors. Wheels. Looks a lot better than it did. Check out the engine. That's it. Don't forget, hit subscribe. Check out the website www.npdetailing.com. For info, email npdetailing@gmail.com. I'll catch you in the next car. Tomorrow I've got carbon clean. Facebook, don't forget, I'm on Facebook. Put me up and I'll catch you then.